In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sticky notes in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're providing feedback on a document, highlighting key points, or simply jotting down reminders, sticky notes in Acrobat Pro DC can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in and see how you can add your own sticky notes in just a few easy steps. First, you'll want to start by opening the PDF document you'd like to annotate in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This can be done by launching the application and navigating through your File Explorer to select your document. Once you have your PDF open in Acrobat, you'll be able to start adding your sticky notes right away. Next, look towards the top menu where you'll notice the Tools option. Go ahead and click on that. Within the Tools panel, there is a selection called Comment. This is where you'll find the features that allow you to add annotations, notes, and other comments to your document. After selecting the comment tool, a new toolbar will appear along the top of your window. This is the comment toolbar. On this toolbar, you'll find an icon that resembles a sticky note. It's a small speech bubble that invites you to add a sticky note right to the page. Click on this icon to activate the sticky note feature. Now it's time to consider where you want your note to appear. You have complete freedom to choose the spot on the document. Simply click on the location where you'd like the sticky note to be placed. This spot will be marked with a small yellow speech bubble icon, indicating where your note lives on the document. Upon clicking, a comment pane will also appear to the side of your document. In this comment pane, you can now type out your message or any information you wish to convey. This could be questions, reminders, comments, or anything else pertinent to your work or the document itself. Make it as detailed or as concise as you like. Finally, once you've finished typing your note, look for the Post button, which is typically located just below the comment text box. Clicking Post will save your sticky note to the document, and there you have it. Your sticky note is now part of the PDF, ready to be read by anyone who accesses the document. With these steps, you've successfully added a sticky note to your PDF. You can repeat these actions as needed to cover different parts of your document or to add additional notes wherever necessary. I hope this tutorial helps you better annotate and organize your PDF documents with ease. Enjoy the convenience and clarity that comes with sticky notes in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.